How to make cinematic blog edits in Filto app. First of all, open the Filto app and tap the plus button to start a new project. Select the video clips you want to use for your cinematic blog from your gallery. Next, choose a vertical or horizontal aspect ratio depending on where you plan to post your blog, like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Instagram Reels. Now go to the filter section and apply a cinematic style filter. Look for warm tones, faded looks, or vintage color grading that gives your blog a professional vibe. Use the Effects tab to add light leaks, flares, or film grain. These little touches can give your blog a dramatic and polished look. Then head over to the music section. Choose a background track that matches the mood of your blog, something soft and emotional, or upbeat and inspiring, depending on your content. Don't forget to adjust the volume or mute the original video if the background music is more important. If needed, trim or split clips to tighten up your pacing, and use slow motion or speed ramps to add a cinematic touch to key moments. Finally, once everything looks great, tap the Save button to export your cinematic blog edit in high quality. Now you know how to make cinematic blog edits in Filto app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.